Hi friends, welcome to my farm. Let's learn names of farm animals and their babies. Okay, are you ready? Dance and chant with me. Let's start. Its family. Father is bull. Mother is cow. And their kid is calf. Bull. Cow. Calf. Mother is sheep. Baby is lamb. Sheep. Lamb. Its family too. Mother and father is pig. Their baby is piglet.
Pig. Piglet. Mother and father is goat. Their baby is kid. Goat. Kid. The mother is horse. And the kid is foal. Horse. Foal. Mother or father is donkey. The baby is foal. Donkey. Foal. Father and mother is deer. Their baby is fawn. Deer. Fawn. It is dog. And its kid is puppy. Dog. Puppy. Mother is cat. The baby is kitten. Cat. Kitten. Mother is rabbit. The baby is kit. Rabbit. Kit. It's a chicken family. Father is rooster. Mother is hen and baby is chick. Rooster. Hen. Chick. Mother is duck. The baby is duckling. Duck. Duckling. Let's practice.